To my limited knowledge, AI and robotics are two very different things. Robotics deals with creating human-like machines that can replicate the need for a human and hopefully take over tasks which are mind-numbingly menial, repetitive, and sometimes that causes lack of attention to the job. Accidents happen, mistakes happen, human frailties take over. So if a robo can replace those menial tasks, artificial intelligence to my mind is something completely different. I think when you're looking to refine the travel process, the dining experience, the travel experience, the way a person books his room to a hotel and has to interact with the hotel, that's where I think AI can play a huge part in refining the process for him. You are able to deliver the product to a specific kind of sensibilities, specific requirements, specific needs, specific tastes. And I think AI has a huge role to play in that, which will help hotels, travel operators, restaurants refine their products to keep everybody in that table of six absolutely happy. The notion that it's going to replace human beings, not in an industry. Ours is a touch, feel, and experience industry. It cannot be done by a machine.